Magnus.Magneto.
What's up, y'all? First, I want to say thank you so much for all the love on the CC Variations video. Really happy that it's doing so well. Hallelujah. Yes. A lot of you mentioned that you guys would like to see a footwork combo video, so here it is. This combo is a full in-your-face combo. That's what Storm calls everything in the front part of your body, and I like that mythology, and I think that's correct, so I call that too. Okay. Basically, this combo is just an exploration of your basic hook and your reverse hook, which is from hook all the way to the other side, and then bring that leg in. And then apart from that, you just have your sweep cheats. So let's get right into what a sweep cheat is. To do the sweep cheat, all you really have to do is do a coffee grinder, but stay in the front. So you're gonna hop over your leg still, but you're gonna bring your leg through and then straight back to center. So you hop over it, and then you bring it right back through to center. So just get comfortable with that a couple times. Hop, center, hop, center. And then once you're comfortable with it, don't drag it on the ground and keep it off the ground. So you hop over it and bring it back through. Hop, through. Now to add style points to that and to make that even nicer, add the style points up. Hell yeah. What you want to do is you want to bring that leg into a full circle. The more circular you can get that leg and the less choppy you can make it, the better. So when you're hopping over your foot, think of bringing your heel towards your arm. Your heel to your arm. That will create that circle before coming front. Rather than thinking over and then front, think over to your arm, then front. Watch one time. Arm front. Do you see that? Arm front. I'll do that slow-mo for you. I know this doesn't seem like it's a big deal, but as Intact and so many other footwork legends have said, the details are so important in your footwork, and to take it from basic to advanced, I really feel like that little sweep does that. This combo requires both sides, so once you got it one side, do the other side. So other side, leg coming in, hop over, and straight to the front. Get that a couple times, just hooking it in and then snapping it front. Once you're comfortable with that, add the circle sweep in. Circle sweep, circle sweep. 1, 2. Okay, reverse is a little bit complicated, but basically all you have to do is bring your butt up high enough so you can get your leg behind and then sweep through it. So just do that slowly, leg up, leg behind, through. So get comfortable with that first, up, through, up, through. Once you're comfortable with that, same thing, you gotta add your circle motion into it. As well as before, leg coming towards your hand to make that full circle. So again, full circle this time, so you want to kick it towards this hand, then around, then through. Circle, even though it's just a front circle, still make it a circle. And through, and through, and through. You can almost even kick your butt and feel that connection. Ha, ha, ha. Slow-mo. Okay, now the hook segment of it. So for the hook segment of it, start, right leg does a basic sweep into your hook, and then reverse hook. Now all you're gonna do is add a hop to each side. So you're turning your basic hook into an air hook. Hook, and then hook. Try it again with a hop. Your leg comes in, up, and then other side, up. Now try to cycle through it a little bit. Back and forth, just like a seesaw. Up, 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 up. Now make it look nice. For the basic hook, what you're gonna do is literally just try to hop higher. Higher, and then open your chest up at the same time. So you open your chest up, you hop higher, and you try to hold it. So flex your body when you're in the air, and you want that little float. Up, down, up, down. Now for your reverse hook, when you kick your right leg back, if you're going my way, which you should be, if we're starting together, you wanna bring your right leg back, then kick your left leg front at the same time. Up, just like that. That is gonna open that up into making that nice little popping motion. Hit. At the same time as doing that, you wanna obviously lean on your arm and open your chest up. So you're gonna add those three together. Open your legs at the same time as opening your chest. Up, down, and up, up. Alright, once you've got all those steps, let's learn the combo. Woo! Finally! That was only 500 hours. Good job, Magnus. You made it really quick and easy. I'm sorry. There's a lot of moving pieces, a lot of things to do best. Alright, guys. Jokes aside, So you're gonna start, I like to start from here, but you can start from basically any footwork position. Get into your squat. You're gonna start with your right leg, sweeping right away into that high air hook. Up, then from there, reverse air hook. Then you're gonna do 1, 2 cheat sweeps into a high hook. So you're going 1, 2, high hook. Then you're going reverse, reverse into your reverse figure 4. So I'm gonna teach you that right after. So you're going reverse, reverse, reverse figure 4. So for your reverse figure 4, all you're gonna do is bring your leg up here, then hit that box freeze position or figure 4 freeze position. So you're gonna hook that left leg all the way up at the same time as you're jumping. Looks like this. Up. Slow-mo it. Then from there, all you do is a basic switch into your other side hook. So you go switch, other side air hook, and then reverse, and then into your basic again. 1, 2 into your high hook, into reverse, reverse, figure 4. So reverse, reverse, that was a bad one, but you get the point. And then figure 4, up, down. Then you just finished fresh and strong. All right, one more time, medium speed, then tempo. Can you keep up though? That's the question. That is the question. Slowly going. Air hook, reverse, basic, basic, high, reverse, reverse, figure 4, switch, and air hook, reverse, basic, basic, up, reverse, reverse, figure 4, finish. Combo, flip it, change it, rearrange it, make it yours and make you change it. Hey, thanks so much for watching. This was Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never crew. If you guys want more footwork combinations, do let me know down below. I love creating this. I've got many more that I can give you. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. Peace, one love. Uploads every Sunday. Mwah! Pops!